Hey, I hope you guys can see me. I'm going to tell you how to sync your Xbox controller to your Xbox. So, take your Xbox controller, this thing, you take it, and right here, there's a button. You gotta turn on this, of course, and then hit this button, and then go down to your Xbox. Every single Xbox has this, a sync button. It should be right next to the power button. So you just turn on your Xbox and the controller. Then you hit the sync button on the controller and hit the sync button that's right next to the power button on the Xbox. Let me clarify. Right there. Hold on.
Crickets are the speckled recluse's favorite prey. As soon as it goes for it, it's sayonara, Spidey.
Right there. Right next to the power button on an Xbox.